Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to create Instagram page or create professional Instagram account. So let's see how to do that. And then Instagram profile picture, click on it, and in this you can choose and open edit profile. Scroll down, you can see switch to professional accounts. Click on it and then choose continue. Continue, click here, choose continue. What best describe you? Categories help people find accounts like yours. You can change this at any time. You can see search categories, open it, and in this you can search your need categories, and then you can see many categories. In this tab you can choose your need categories. In this tab I can choose personal blog, and then done, click here. It can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. After that, display on profile, click here. Are you a creator? Based on the category you selected, you may be a creator. You can change this anytime. After, you can see two categories, creator and business. In this you can choose your need option. I can choose creator. After that, choose next, click here. Okay. Sign up for resources and offers to help grow your brand. After that, promotional emails, already turn on this option. After that, choose next. Continue. Set up your professional account. Now you have professional tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. Let's get started. 0 of 8 steps complete. So in this time you can complete 0 of 8 steps. First steps: complete your profile, get inspired, get beta verified, grow your audience, introduce yourself, explore tools and insights, tell us your goals. Complete all steps and then close. And in this way I can easily create Instagram page or create Instagram professional dashboard or create Instagram professional page. After that, choose and open professional dashboard, tools and resources just for creators. Open it. You can see professional dashboard, accounts reached, accounts engaged, total followers, content you shared, and in this way you can easily create your Instagram page or create your Instagram business page or create your Instagram professional page. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.